Gwikwanira kunene ni guthiite na mbere kwiyumiria gatagate ga thirikari na mwena wa mung'ethaniro ndeto-ini ciigie njama ya wici wa kura na ututhuri wa gahiha mbere ya ithurano nini icigo-ini itiganite muthenya wa RUCIU. Mwena wa mung'ethaniro ukiorota kamiti ya IEBC ni kunyitanira na thirikari hari kumateithia kuiya kura na gutuma nyanake gukana guoyohia muingi.
Because we are aware in the case of MWENA, 15,000 ballots have already been particularly voted. They have already marked them. And so the idea is that they are going to make them, they all be met now at the constituency tallying center.
Kama viongozi wa upinzani twajua zile njama mumepanga na mtahusika.
I can tell you with certainty the people of Kenya will not be intimidated to elect people they don't want. And Kenya is not Tanzania. This is a totally different country.
Makiria nandikia mohoro atongoria a mung'ethaniro Rigathi Gachagua wa DCP, Kalonzo Musyoka wa Wiper na Eugene Wamalwa wa DAP Kenya maugite IEBC nirikitie kuhe mwena wa thirikari maratathi ma kura mamake, makiorota CEO wa IEBC Marjan Hussein ni kuhotithia wici uyu.
William Ruto and IEBC think they will rig the 2027 general election. They will be in for a rude shock. Admittedly, I think the by-elections are a trial run on how they can rig the 2027 general election.
Marjan is under instructions of the former commissioner, Professor Gulie, who is William Ruto's political advisor on matters to do with IEBC. So IEBC, you are clearly on notice.
Yetu leo ni kuambia chairman Ethicon na commission ya IEBC ya kwamba wana nafasi nzuri sana kuonyesha ya kwamba hii ni tume huru isiyohegemea upande wowote.
Nari miaka iri itigarite mbere ya githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027 atongoria aya maugite IEBC ni yorwo ni mweke wa kuonia a Kenya no mehokwo no mathingiriria maricemba kugitira kura ciao makira a Kenya matikana guoyohio.
Jugi andu a IEBC riu ni monania biu ni andu a William Ruto na ndeto ici marenda gwika RUCIU ni ikorania ati matingurugamirira githurano kinene.
Mwena wa mung'ethaniro kiorota thirikari na kio kiama kia UDA ni gikumbithitie mwena wa mung'ethaniro makiuga ni marabanga gukana tuthura gahiha gicigo-ini kia Mbere North.
We have conducted despite very serious provocations from the opposition. We have seen all manner of goons coming from different corners of this country. Many people have been injured by these goons who have been buried in Mbere North by opposition.
Na wamekuja hapa number one kwa sababu wameona hawatapata hii kiti. Their plan is to disrupt the voting tomorrow. Na tunajua they are focusing on our strongholds.
Governor wa Embu Cecily Mbarire ugite ni marikitie kuneana riboti cikuri borithi akiuga mwena wa mung'ethaniro urarongoreria mieneri ya kiama kia UDA kiri na miri.
The names and telephone numbers of all those goons who have come from outside Embu County and brought by the opposition to come and cause mayhem and havoc on the people of Mbere North. So those names are with the officers.
Girifotera Kameme TV. Ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washege.